Yes.
Do you want to try steak?
No, because I don't like.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we are gonna try, me and my dad. We are gonna try steak from lion. Hey, Dad. Do you want to try steak from the lion?
Yeah, so I will try. This is one line is expensive.
Yeah. Let's
I
try
want
it.
to try in the sister the first time.
Your
Alice.
sister does. My sister doesn't want to try. Look, it's good. So, Dad, I have an idea. So, we are gonna eat steak from the lion, and I gonna get my sister to come and eat to surprise her.
Yeah.
Okay. And my dad is also doing it on the barbecue, so it will make it better. And by the way, my sister's name is Alice Trentfield. And you can say her name Alice. Like, just look at it. I really have water in my mouth.
Wow. Superb.
Oh my God. Okay, my sister is gonna try it first.
No.
Yes,
no,
yes,
In the,
yes.
In the lion, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
No, ca să pun așa
Yes,
tati.
yes, yes.
It's the very shot.
Stai așa puțin. Stai.
Yep.
Wow. Okay, now my dad is gonna try it.
It's the best steak.
Okay, so my
this
sister
one.
doesn't like it, but my dad like
uite
it.
tot.
So let's eat.
Rămas în frunză.
Mmm,
Rămas în frunză.
real good. Okay, bye. I love you.